Good morning, all. I hope all of you, as well as your family members, your relatives, are safe from COVID-19. As a part of online online classes which are instructed by Indian University of Health Sciences, now I want to take a class in our physiology topic. So today our topic of discussion is heart rate. Heart rate. First of all, what do you mean by heart rate? What is the importance of study of the heart rate? And what are the factors that affect the heart rate? How the heart rate was regulated? So these are the common topics discussion in heart rate. First of all, what do you mean by heart rate? Which means, so the number of impulses as well as number of cardiac cycles, or how many times the heart beats per minute, is known as a heart rate. So normally the heart rate is 72 beats per minute. So the normal range of heartbeat is 60 to 80 beats per minute. So in some condition it may be increase, or in some condition it may be decrease. Okay? So depend upon the body demand. So depend upon the tissue functions, automatically the perfusion will vary. So depend upon their demand, automatic pumping of the heart as well as rate of the heart will vary. So when the demand, what is the main function of the heart is pumping of blood to the different organs. So if the function of the heart is, if the function of tissue is more, automatically its demand is more, automatically the heart rate will be increased. If the function is less, automatically the demand will be decrease, the heart rate will be decreased. Okay? So depend upon the causes, it may be exogenous, it may be the endogenous, out of body or within the body. Okay? So the heart rate will vary. So depend upon factors involvement. So even though the heart rate was increased, it comes to the normal after some time. Even though the heart rate was decreased, it comes to the normal. Okay? So there is, so one important regulating mechanism is there, which is important for regulation of the heart rate, which is important for its basal rate. So before going to that, first of all, in which condition the heart rate is increased, in which condition the heart rate will be decreased, the most important. So increased heart rate is known as tachycardia. Tachycardia means increasing in heart rate more than 100 is known as tachycardia. So in which condition it is increased? Simple. So it may be the physiological as well as pathological. Physiological as well as pathological. Which means, so these are normal, these are abnormal. So what are the physiological condition which increases the heart rate? Which increases the heart rate? Simple. On running or exertion and pregnancy and childhood as well as running. So in this condition the heart rate will be increased. And then, so when the demand is more on exertion, so when the demand is more, automatically on exertion and pregnancy, childhood and running, so in this condition automatically the heart rate will be so when the demand is more, automatically heart rate will be more. So pathological condition, simple, it is fever. It is fever and thyrotoxicosis or hyperthyroidism are Graves' disease, fever, thyrotoxicosis, and anemia, as well as septicemia, as well as hypovolemia. Hypovolemia. In this condition, the heart rate is increased. So next one is decreasing heart rate. It is known as bradycardia. The heart rate was decreased below 60. It is commonly caused as bradycardia. So what are the condition which causes bradycardia? It is also the two types. So physiological variations are there and pathological variations are there. So physiological causes. So first one is sleep. Which means when the demand is less, automatically heart rate will be decreased. So next one is pathological causes. Simple. Here the fever. So now the hypothermia. Hypothermia is the one of the cause for bradycardia. Thyrotoxicosis and hypothyroidism. This is hypothyroidism. As well as congenital heart diseases, as well as degenerative heart diseases. So degenerative heart diseases, as well as conduction blocks, as well as increased intracranial pressure, as well as jaundice, as well as some of the drugs may also cause this bradycardia. Example is so beta blockers, as well as calcium channel blockers. So these are the conditions which cause a tachycardia, which causes a bradycardia. So this is the variations in the heart rate. So next one is, so even though the heart rate is increased physiologically as well as pathologically, it comes to the normal. As well as the heart rate was decreased, after some time it comes to the normal. So there is some regulating mechanism which is important to maintain the normal or to increase or to comes the normal